Hey everyone, ever dreamt of building your own web page but thought it was too complicated? Well, what if I told you it's now easier than ever thanks to the power of AI and something called artifacts. That's right, artifacts. Think of them as a ready-made building blocks generated by AI, like the amazing QwenLM AI. They can be anything, text, images, even code snippets, all tailored to your needs. And today we are going to use these artifacts to quickly put together a simple web page. Let's say you want to create a page about your favorite hobby like baking. For now, first things first, you will need to head over to QwenLM AI website and make sure that you have already logged in. This makes the whole process easier and faster. And we are inside QwenChat, and this is how the homepage look like. Now in the homepage, you can see several options over here. There's artifact, web search, image generation, and video generation, which is coming soon. And there's create image, code, make a plan, and more. Tap on more, and here you can see the other options too. There's analyze image, summarize text, get advice, help me write, brainstorm, and artifacts. Let's tap on these artifacts. Tap on it. Now let's use it to generate artifacts related to the baking. This might involve giving a QwenLM AI a prompt like create images of delicious cakes or generate text describing different types of cookies. Play around with the prompts to get exactly what you need. So here you can see an option of a personal blog for HTML, a book with HTML. Let's keep it baking blog. Tap on send. So this made the website. So there's home, recipes, about, and contact section. This is your web page, and here you can see a chocolate cake. And to make a chocolate cake, here's you can see an ingredients too. There's an instructions, and there's many more. You can use this HTML to make your web page too. We'll dive deeper into the more advanced techniques in future videos. Until then, happy creating, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.